comes, Bismillah we say. Kapag bahay ka waqt, Allah ki akahar na ye din mein hai. Tuesday's here, let's learn and grow. Dua kare, ilm ka noor, har dil mein ho. Wednesday shines, the week goes fast. Tanama mas barhe, Allah ke hukum ko apnaye khas. Thursday brings a time to share. Amamari sabka day, sabke liye ho bhalai ki bahar. Friday is Jummah, the best of all. Masjid chalo, dua kare, Allah ko yaad kare. Bimisal, bimisal. Saturday's time for family cheer. Walidain ke saath raho, mohabbat ka ho har su khilao. Sunday comes, a day of rest. Naya hafta shuru ho, iman ho sabse behtarin libas. Monday comes, Bismillah we say. Kapag ka waqt, Allah ki ataan ay din hai. Tuesday's here, let's learn and grow. Dua kare, ilm ka noor hai dil mein ho. Wednesday shines, the week goes fast. Namaz padhe, Allah ke hukum ko apnaye khas. Thursday brings a time to share. Namaz sabka de liye ho bhalai ki bahar. Friday is Jummah, the best of all. In Masjid chalo, dua kare, Allah ko yaad kare. Bimisal. Saturday's time for family cheer. Walidain ke saath raho, mohabbat ka ho har su khilao. Sunday comes, a day of rest. Naya hafta shuru ho, iman hai sabse behtarin libas.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.